How to improve English grammar. Enhanced communication. One of the most important benefits of improving your English grammar is that it helps you communicate more clearly and effectively. Grammar is like the structure of a building. Without a strong structure, the building might collapse. Similarly, without good grammar, your sentences might not make sense or might be misunderstood. When you use proper grammar, you can express your ideas, thoughts, and feelings more precisely. For example, if you say, "she cooking," people might not understand you fully. But if you say, "she is cooking," it becomes clear that she is in the process of cooking right now. Good grammar helps your message come across as intended, whether you are speaking or writing. Professional advancement. Good grammar is a key skill in the workplace. In many jobs, especially those that require writing, such as journalism, marketing, law, or customer service, having strong grammar skills is essential. Employers often look for people who can communicate well, both in writing and speaking, because it reflects professionalism and attention to detail. For example, imagine you are applying for a job and your resume or cover letter has grammar mistakes. The employer might think you are careless or not serious about the job. On the other hand, if your application is well written and free of errors, it creates a positive impression and increases your chances of getting hired. Additionally, if you already have a job, improving your grammar can help you get promotions or better positions. Clear and correct communication shows that you are capable and can handle responsibilities effectively. Academic success. If you are a student, good grammar is crucial for your academic success. Whether you are writing essays, reports, or research papers, using correct grammar helps you present your ideas clearly and logically. It also makes your work look polished and professional. For example, when writing an essay, if your sentences are grammatically correct, your teacher can easily understand your arguments and give you better grades. On the other hand, if your writing is full of grammar mistakes, it might be difficult for the teacher to follow your thoughts, leading to lower marks. Moreover, good grammar helps in understanding complex texts. When you know the rules of grammar, you can break down sentences to understand their meaning better. This is especially important when reading textbooks or articles that use sophisticated language. Increased confidence. Knowing that you are using correct grammar can significantly boost your confidence, especially when speaking or writing in English. When you are confident in your language skills, you are more likely to participate in conversations, share your ideas, and express yourself freely. For instance, if you are giving a presentation at school or work, knowing that your grammar is correct can help you focus on delivering your message rather than worrying about making mistakes. This confidence can also improve your social interactions, as you will feel more comfortable engaging in discussions with others. Confidence in your grammar skills also extends to writing. Whether you are writing an email, a report, or a social media post, knowing that your grammar is correct allows you to focus on the content rather than second-guessing your language choices. Better reading comprehension. Improving your grammar also enhances your reading skills. When you understand grammar rules, you can better understand what you are reading. This is because grammar helps you grasp how sentences, are structured and how different parts of a sentence relate to each other. For example, if you know the difference between past, present, and future tenses, you can easily figure out when an action in a story or article took place. This understanding helps you follow the narrative or argument more effectively. Better reading comprehension is beneficial not only for academic purposes, but also for everyday life. Whether you are reading the news, instructions, or a novel, understanding the text fully allows you to gain more knowledge and enjoy the content. Positive impression. Using good grammar creates a positive impression on others, whether in personal or professional settings. It shows that you are educated, careful, and respectful of the language. People often judge you based on how you communicate, so making a good impression with proper grammar is important. For instance, when you send an email or write a message, people will notice if your grammar is correct. It shows that you took the time to write properly, which can make others respect you more. On the contrary, if your message is full of mistakes, it might create a negative impression and make people think you are careless or not serious. This is especially important in formal situations, such as job applications, business communications, or academic writing. In these cases, good grammar can set you apart from others and help you achieve your goals. Global communication. English is a global language spoken by millions of people around the world. By improving your English grammar, you can communicate more effectively with people from different countries and cultures. This is especially important in today's world, where globalization has made international communication more common. For example, if you travel to another country where English is spoken, knowing the grammar rules will help you communicate with locals, ask for directions, or order food. Similarly, if you are working in an international company, good English grammar allows you to communicate with colleagues from different parts of the world without misunderstandings. Moreover, in the digital age, many online platforms use English as their primary language. Whether you are engaging in social media, online forums, or global networks, good grammar helps you connect with people and share your ideas effectively. Conclusion. In summary, improving your English grammar offers numerous benefits that can positively impact your communication skills, professional opportunities, academic performance, confidence, and ability to connect with others globally. It helps you express yourself clearly, make a good impression, and understand complex texts better. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone looking to enhance their language skills, investing time in improving your grammar is worthwhile. It's not just about avoiding mistakes. It's about becoming a more effective and confident communicator in a world where English plays a vital role. So, take the time to learn and practice grammar, and you will see the benefits in all areas of your life.